to our after-school snack series. Today, we will be making yummy pretzel bites! An easy and delicious after-school snack. So stay tuned and let's get started!
For these easy homemade pretzel bites, you will need 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 3½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of oil. And for the baking soda mixture, you will need 10 cups of water, 1½ tablespoons of baking soda, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. These homemade pretzels are perfect for after school. So let's get started. Step 1. In a small bowl, add the water, sugar and yeast and wait a few minutes until it bubbles. Step 2. In a mixer, add the flour, salt, and baking powder and mix until blended. Now add the oil and yeast mixture. Mix until a ball of dough forms. Then mix for 1 minute to knead the dough. Pretzels are a baked snack food typically made from wheat flour, and they are so delicious. Step 3. Now brush the top of the dough with oil. Then cover with plastic wrap and allow to rise at room temperature for 1 hour. Now divide the dough into 4 pieces. Roll out each piece of the dough into a rope. Then slice into bite-sized pieces. Step 4. Bring the 10 cups of water and the baking soda to a boil in a pot or a saucepan. Step 5. Use a slotted spoon or a sieve to put the pretzel pieces into the boiling water and boil for about 30 seconds. Then remove them and place on a baking tray. A October is National Pretzel Month. Step 6. Now brush the top of each pretzel with oil. Sprinkle with salt then bake until dark golden brown in color for approximately 10 to 12 minutes.
So yummy! Mommy, I love these pretzels. It's so yummy!
Well, there you have it, a delicious recipe that you can enjoy after school. So give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you all next